How to get paid from Yelp removing spam comments. So first thing you need to do is to head over to Yelp for a business, and from in there you can actually sign up for a business account on Yelp by inputting right here your first name, last name, email address, password, and claiming your pre-page. You can also utilize your Google account in order to sign up to Yelp. So according to this article, you can actually get the role of Yelp spam moderator, which involves removing spam content that's intentionally harming some business. You need to understand the do's and don'ts of your role, and you need to actually do that in order to learn money on Yelp. So, as a Yelp moderator, you need to identify user generated content from those that are bought. You need to carefully review flagged content, assess its authenticity, to fish out paid reviews, and making decisions about whether to remove or retain reviews from Yelp. So moderation within Yelp needs to be have some attention to details, critical thinking, familiarity with online review platforms, with strong communication skills and understanding of Yelp guidelines. So it ranges from about $15 to $54 hourly. However, the rate depends on your experience, efficiency, and skill level. So do take note of that as well. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. If you got a question, just drop it in the comments.